Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR token. In my previous video, I was showing you that after breaking out a very big down channel on a weekly time frame chart, RNDR token found a very strong and powerful resistance that was at $2. And recently you can see that the price and has broken out this resistance. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared in the month of January 2023 with my members. That was on 14th of January. And it was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that render token was completing with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped down and completed this flag here. And after entering this buying zone, we had a very massive price reversal. And this was, by the way, more than 270% pump. You can see within the next few days, it rallied more than 270%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move that was also getting completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped down, completed the leg here, and then we had a very nice price reversal and reached the sell target zone here. And this was almost 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart, and this is the live weekly time frame chart, and we can see that the Render token was moving inside a very long-term down channel since after November 2021 when we found the resistance, this downtrend line resistance, and you can see finally we broke out the resistance in the month of October 2022, but got rejected by this very long-term resistance of 85 cents that was previously working as a resistance here, as a support here, and recently we got rejected. But finally, after a retest of this support of 40 cents here, that was, you can see, quite strong support. And it was working as a very long-term and strong support since after June 2022. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here. We had several touch points here, you can see, at this support. And finally, we broke out this resistance of 85 cents. And after the breakout, we again got rejected by the next resistance of $2, retested the previous resistance of 85 cents as a support. And then we again rallied to the upside. And recently, you can see in the previous week, we have broken out this resistance of $2 as well, but found another uptrend line resistance here. You can see we have several rejections by this resistance. We got rejected here, we got rejected here, almost here as well. And this is the recent touch point here. And you can see after the rejection, the price and is testing this support of $2. And here we also have a quite steep support here. And this is another rising wedge pattern that is a bearish bias. And if the price line may breaks down the support of this rising wedge pattern, then the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 40 cents. And in case of breaking out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be quite high, because the target for this down channel is here, approximately at $8. And the target for this rising wedge pattern, once it will be able to break it out, for example, if we will break out this resistance of the wedge from here, then the target can be approximately at $12. Therefore, now for the next few days or few hours, even this support of $2 can be really very important. We are testing this support, and after a successful retest, like we tested the support here of 85 cents, and we had another rally, and after the retest of this support, the pricing can have another rally, and it can break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.